built this n8n workflow, which simply scrapes the latest trademarks which are registered within the past 7 days. And those scraped details will be converted into a structured CSV file, and that particular CSV file will be uploaded to our Google Drive. And from there, we can access that particular file in Google Sheets and make use of that data. Okay, so let me just show you a simple execution of this thing. Yeah, so the workflow got executed, and yeah, we can see the file here. So we extracted like 251 details, at least 250 details. Technically, 251 registered trademarks which got approved recently. Okay. So this is how the whole, workflow will be extracting the data. Thank you.